This is the primer on how to use standard cases and pallets window. First step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. Next, we will select standard cases and pallets. In the first tab, we will see that we have two lists of boxes. The first list is for boxes in English units, inches. The second list is boxes in metric units. By default, some of the boxes do not have the height. This height can be added by double-clicking and typing a number. If you want to create a new box, you can select one that already exists and then use the Edit menu and choose Duplicate. There, you can add the dimensions of the new box. And you can also add a name. You can also change the color of the box if you wish, clicking with the right button on the drawing and choosing a color. To use the boxes, we go to the New Data Sheet, start from Primary Package command to open a window. If we had worked with millimeter boxes, we will need to use millimeters as units or centimeters. Metric goes with metric, inches goes with inches. Now, here we can choose a box from the list, in this case the new one, and choose Fill Standard Cases. We leave the primary package dimensions as it is, and we add some slack to make sure that the boxes are calculated. Select Tools Recalculate, and we obtain a result. In this case, we filled the box with as many packages as we wished, as we could. It has a number of 12 packages per case. We can also use the boxes in another way. We go to Tools, Change Data. We can use standard sizes where possible. We add a case count, let's say 12, Tools, Recalculate. And here we see that we were not able to use the standard cases because none of the packages, none of the configurations was close enough to the dimension of the box. So we can go back, add a smaller case count, and more slack, just to make sure it will work. No box was created. Let's see another number, 8. And we were able to obtain 2 standard cases in this case. One of them, we see all the slack inside the box. What we wanted to do was make sure that we kept the same case count, which was 8, and fit it into a box that's already available. Although this box has plenty of air within the box, it may be more practical if all we have in the warehouse is boxes with these dimensions. So we select one of the pallets that is carrying the box, and we can ship it.